Hey guys, this is my bike check. Got an Eastern Nitrous Cobra 2011. It's mostly all stock right now. The only thing I have different is the Odessey slim cable in blue. And that's all I have. It's mostly all stock. And I'll tell you the parts I'm getting though. I'm getting ODI Longneck Grips in blue. I'm getting fly chrome bars. Stolen Cinvict V3 stem already slipped on me once and it sucks. And getting some stolen Revolver rims on front and back. I'm getting stolen class ring chain wheel. Stolen, I don't know, just getting some color on it. Stolen C-post combo. This one's just a one-piece post, and I want a pivotal. And that's all I think right now. And get the whole view of my bike. Yep, I'm making some BMX edits. Everything like that. Gotta have the Rockstar. Yeah, Rockstar rocks. So I said. Here's the hub sound. Here it is. Yeah, that's the hub sound. I don't really care that it's loud or quiet or whatever. I think it's perfectly fine. And I want to get some metal pedals, but because these like slip on you sometimes. And that's mostly all. Like I said, I'm making some BMX edits soon. Maybe some riding at Vans. And oh yeah, and this is my new camera. Just got 2 days ago. Best Buy. It's working great right now. Tell me how the video quality is and sound quality and everything. Alright, subscribe, rate, and comment. Bye.